Here is a breakdown for the HEA spec package on the brand new BMW M2. Whenever BMW builds a brand new vehicle out of the factory, the first ones that get built are always HEA spec packages, HEA. It's some German terminology for first of a batch, but basically before a dealership can customize the cars, BMW will build them a certain way, certain equipment's going to be on them, and then they'll ship them out to dealerships so that they arrive for the vehicle's launch date. But I'm going to give you guys a breakdown in case you're interested in purchasing a HEA spec package of an M2 across Canada. I'm going to show you guys exactly what's in the HEA spec package and what all the options are. So all the HEA spec packages are going to be the exact same except for two variants. You're either going to have a different color or a different transmission, the manual transmission or the automatic transmission. Now the unit that I have here is an automatic transmission. Any M2 that has the automatic transmission with a HEA spec is going to have the active stop and go cruise control right there. So if you have the automatic transmission, you get the active stop and go cruise control, the basically radar sensor. If you have the manual, you don't have that option. And then the second one is the paint option. So for the HEA spec, there was 4 paint options available. This one is in Brooklyn Gray, Black Sapphire, Toronto Red, and the new Zandorf Blue. The only one that didn't make it into the HEA spec package is a white car. If you want a white car, you have to wait until you can order one to your custom specs. Now, every single HEA package is going to have the premium package on it. Premium package is going to be comfort door access. So you're able to walk up to the door, you put your finger on these 3 stripes, they will automatically lock and unlock, and it also works off of proximity when you're walking away and going towards the vehicle. The next item in the premium package is going to be the upgraded Harman Kardon sound system. That is going to be part of that premium package. You also have the head-up display projection unit as part of the premium package, as well as the parking assistant. So it will use the proximity sensors on the outside of the vehicle, and with a click of a button, it'll automatically park for you. And the last item that's going to be part of that premium package is the adaptive LED headlights, so the upgraded headlights. And then on top of that, the HEA spec package is going to have a lot of individual items. One of those individual items is going to be the upgraded black wheels. These are the upgraded version versus the bicolors. The next one is going to be the Shadowline headlights. While the adaptive LED headlights come inside that premium package, the Shadowline headlights, where it darkens out all of the interior content, is an additional option. The next upgraded item is going to be the 50th anniversary emblem. So you'll only find this 50th anniversary emblems on the HEA spec package. The first month for personal customizations is April, and BMW stopped putting those 50th anniversary emblems on of March. So the only M2 you're going to find with the 50th anniversaries are HEA spec package. So it's a really quick note. You see the 50th anniversary, you know it's a HEA spec package. Now the next option on the exterior is going to be the upgraded red brakes. So the blue brakes are standard with the M2, and these red ones are an upgrade. The next exterior item is going to be the carbon fiber roof. So this is an additional option, but it's going to be on every single HEA spec car. The next one is the black tailpipe. So it's a $100 option from the factory, but with the HEA specs, they're going to come with it with that black tailpipe option. Now everything else is going to be on the inside. So you're going to have carbon fiber trim is an upgraded option inside that HEA spec package. If you have the automatic transmission, you get the carbon fiber paddle shifters. That's also going to be the carbon fiber trim on the dashboard and the center console around the shifter. And the last item on the inside for the HEA spec package is the wireless device charging tray in there with the cup holders. The next with the HEA spec package, you're going to find every single one has these Vernasca leather seats with the M highlights. So you have light blue, dark blue on the headrest, and red. And it matches. So light blue is always in the center, and the reds are on the outside. And the last update with the HEA spec package is going to be the M seatbelt. So those are all the additional features that you're going to find on the M2 outside of the base package, everything that's intact for the HEA spec package. The only thing that you can't see is the M drivers package. So BMW has an M drivers package, which basically gives you a higher speed limit and a track voucher that you can use if you want to take your car down to the United States. So very many people will use that, but it is there, basically the higher speed limit on the M2. And that's all the features for the HEA spec M2. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys appreciate this content. If you guys are interested in purchasing a BMW in the Toronto marketplace, feel free to reach out to me at my email down below. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.